Uh, or- just a minute. Let me have some space over here. So this is our today's first problem. So just a minute. Yeah, this one we have solved. Tell me how to solve this one. What do you think? So let me write first I is equal to integration 0 to 1, x to 1, y raised to 4, e raised to x, y square, dy dx. What do you think? What shall we do?
By changing the order of integration, we can do
Yeah,
this.
yeah, very good, very good. See, you cannot solve this problem directly since in a power of E you have some x. As you can see here, the inner integration with respect to y and the outer integration is with respect to x. If you directly start to solve this problem, the inner integration will be quite difficult. To make it simple, I will change the order of integration. In yesterday's lecture, we have already seen how to change the order of integration, right? So what are the limits of y here?
0 and no x and
X
1
to 1. X to 1.
currently.
These are limits of y, right? These are limits of y and limits of x.
0
0
and
to
1.
1.
Yeah. So the region is bounded by x is equal to 0, right? X is equal to 1. Y is equal to x and y is equal to 1. Suraj, can you tell me x is equal to 0 represents?
Sir, it represents the y-axis.
Exactly. Riddhi, what about the second curve? Riddhi?
Parallel to y-axis.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, a line parallel to y-axis. Okay, so let me show here simultaneously y-axis, x-axis, x is equal to 0, that is y-axis, x is equal to 1, that is a line parallel to y-axis, which passes through x is equal to 1 here, y is equal to x.
A straight line passing
It is
through
a
origin
straight
at
line.
an angle of
Straight
45
line.
degrees.
Yeah. So power of both variables is 1, that means it's a line, 101% it is a line. So when we have a line, we draw a table and with the help of that, we find 2 points on that line, x, y, x, y. If I put x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 0, right? So the point is 0, 0. And in this equation, if you put x is equal to 1, the value of y will be also 1, right? So the point will be 1, 1. So here 1, 1, somewhere here, and 0, 0 here. That means given line passes through these 2 points. Okay, these 2 points. This is y is equal to x. Next, y is equal to 1.
A line parallel to x-axis.
X-axis.
Line parallel to x-axis and passes through y is equal to 1. That means this type of line you will get. Getting the y is equal to 1. So tell me the region is bound. What is our region? What do you think? What is the region of integration? This one or this one?
Sir,
First
upper
one?
one, sir. Upper
Upper
triangle.
one. Okay. The region should be bounded by all these 4 curves. That means x is equal to 0, y is equal to x, y is equal to 1, and x is equal to 1, right? So if you consider this region, it is not bounded by any line or they are not mentioned that thing. So that's why obviously the upper half we have to consider, right? As you can see here, the inner integration with respect to what? Y, right? It means
Sir.
the given strip, agree with me? The given strip is parallel to y-axis. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We have to change the order of integration. That means I'm drawing the same diagram, but this time I will draw a strip parallel to x-axis since we have to change the order of integration, right? So this is y is equal to x, this line. This one is x is equal to 0. This one is y is equal to 1. And this point is 1, 1. Okay. So will you tell me the limits now? I should write the limits of x first.
0 to y.
See, okay, since the strip is parallel to y-axis, and after that I should write limits of y. What do you think? What will be the limits of x?
0 to 1.
Yeah, you
0 to
remember the yesterday's things. First, we consider bounded below, bounded above. Getting bounded below by x is equal to 0. Bounded above by this line. Agree with me? It is not bounded above by x is equal to 1. It is far away from the upper part of this strip. Getting? So it is,
So the limit will be
yeah,
equal to 0 to y.
yeah. So it will be x is equal to y. And what do you think about limits of y? We have to move the strip from bottom to
0 to
top,
y.
right?
0
Yeah.
to 1.
Yeah, strip will start here where the value of y is 0. Since this point is 0, 0, so the value of y is 0. And slowly this strip will reach up to this line where the value of y is 1. So finally we got the limits. Let us put just a minute. Huh? Okay, so now we have limits. Inner integration with respect to x, so 0 to y. Outer integration with respect to y, 0 to 1. The function we had, that is y raised to 4, e raised to xy square. Let me check. Huh? Yes. Now I should write dx first, since our strip is parallel to x-axis. Okay, now tell me how to solve this integration.
So y to the power 4 is constant here. So
Yeah.
we will integrate the term e to the power xy square.
Exactly. So inner integration with respect to x, it means this y raised to 4, this is a constant. I think this is a constant term since it is independent on x. So y raised to 4 is constant, it will come outside. Integration 0 to y, e raised to xy square, dx dy. What is this integration now? Tell me.
E raised to xy square divided by y square.
Exactly. Which formula we have to use? E raised to ax is equal to e raised to ax upon a. Whatever the constant multiple of x, we always write in denominator when we integrate. So here the constant multiple is y square. Okay. So it will be e raised to xy square upon y square with limits 0 to y dy, right? So we have y square and y raised to 4 and again contain y square. So y square will get cancelled, right? That means you will have integration 0 to 1 y square e raised to xy square 0 to y dy. Guess the next step now.
Y to the power cube equals to t let some variable let करके substitution करेंगे.
Exactly. I'm going to put upper and lower limits, right? So 0 to 1 y square. I'm putting upper
Sir,
limit.
when we put x equal to 0, we will get e raised to 0 as 1, right? So that
Exactly.
will also come now.
Yeah, sure. See, I'm going to put y first. So e raised to x, y into y square, you will get y cube. And e raised to 0, which is 1, right? I will directly write 1 here, 1 dy. What will be the next step then?
Now we have to integrate with respect to y.
How can we integrate directly with respect to y?
We
So
need
have
to
to
substitute
put
for
y
y
multiply
equal
y
to
Apply
square.
y square in the bracket.
substitute.
Ah,
we can.
substitute. Yeah, right.
So
We
can
need-
you use substitution here?
Yeah, sure. So generally, if you have anything in power, so y cube we have in power, I'm going to put it as a t. So the first task is to take its derivative. What will be the derivative?
3y square.
y square
y square.
dy
dy
by
equal
dt.
to dt.
That means y square dy is dt by
dt by 3.
3. My mistake. So limits. Think about the limits. 0 and 1. These are the actual limits. Now we have to change the limits now. Getting with the help of that substitution. If I put y is equal to 0, 2 will be 0. For y is equal to 1, t will be 1, right? So now our new integral will be like this. Limits will be same, 0 to 1. E raised to t minus 1, agree? And this y square dy will be replaced by dt by 3, okay? dt by 3, 1 by 3 is constant, will come outside. What is the integration of e raised to t minus 1?
E raised to t
to
minus
the power 2
t.
minus t.
E raised to t minus t. Put the upper and lower limits, 1 by 3, e raised to 1 minus 1. If I put 0, e raised to 0 minus 0. So 1 by 3, e raised to 1 means e minus 1, e raised to 0 is 1. So the final answer will be e minus 2 by 3. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next problem. See, in the next problem, I think it is quite similar, but we have options here and we have to choose one of them. Okay. So Om Prakash, can you help me to solve this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me what I'm supposed to do first. Just a minute, huh? Let me have some space over here. Huh?
First, we will draw the graph region. First, we will draw.
Yeah. Yes, sine d by dx. Inner integration, what are the limits of y?
Y from y equal to x to y equal to 1.
Yeah, right. And next?
Then x equal to 0 to x equal to 1.
Exactly. So see the region we have already seen. So I will draw it directly. So y is equal to x. This is a line, right?
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to 1, line parallel to x axis. X is equal to 0.
Y axis.
X is equal to 1.
Line parallel to y axis.
Yeah. So the region is same again, right?
Yes,
Bounded
sir.
by, yeah. So this is the region of integration. So in this case also we have to change the order of integration. That means the given strip is what? Parallel to x-axis or y-axis? Om Prakash?
Y axis.
Y-axis. This is the inner integration with respect to y. So we have to change the order of integration. So
Yes,
I
sir.
will draw a strip parallel to x-axis. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So Vidhi, will you tell me the limits then? Now the strip is parallel to x-axis. Vidhi?
Yes, sir.
Please, can you tell me the limits?
X 0 to y.
Exactly. And y?
Y is 0 to y.
Yeah. Okay. Since we have already discussed such types of problems, so that's why I'm writing directly. Limits will be 0 to 1 and 0 to y. The function remains same. Sine y square. Now I should write dx first since my strip is parallel to x-axis. Okay. How to solve it further?
Substitution method, sir.
Substitution.
So first integrate with respect to x and then the variable will come y square को then substitute करके हो जाएगा.
Okay, that means sine y square is a constant you want to say, right?
Yes, sir.
Its constant will come outside 0 to y dx dy. Integration of dx?
X.
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 And if you put upper and lower limits?
Y.
Y. Shall I write directly? 0 to 1 y sine y square. I hope all of you are getting what I'm writing.
Yes, sir.
Sure, na? All of you. Arun.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So next trick is substitution. What shall I put here?
Y square.
Y
Y
equal
square.
to t.
Derivative
2y dy equal to
dy is equal to dt.
So y dy is equal to,
half dt.
dt by 2.
what about limits? Limits will be same, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm writing directly 0 to 1 sine y square is t, and this y dy will be replaced by dt by 2.
dt by 2.
What is constant here? Half is constant. I will take it outside.
1 by 2.
Integration of sine t.
By 2.
Minus cos t.
Minus cos
Cos
t.
t.
Limit 0 to 1. I'm taking minus sign outside. So minus half. Put the upper and lower limits. Cos 1.
Minus cos t.
What is value of cos 0?
1.
1. So
1.
there is a minus sign outside. No? So I will interchange them. So 1 minus cos 1 divided by 2. So this is a required answer. So let us check the correct option. 1 minus cos 1 by 2. 1 minus cos 1 by 2. So this is the correct option, right? Option D is the correct option. Okay. So this is our next problem. What do you think? How shall we solve this one? Yeah, please.
First, we will solve the integral, then we will inverse it.
Okay, but how to solve the integral? That is the first question. Okay, I will write down whatever you have.
It is like a beta function, I think.
Yeah, you are right. It's a example of beta function. Okay, so let me introduce in short what is beta function. Okay, so integration 0 to 1 x raised to m 1 minus x raised to n. This type of integral you have, then this you can express it in terms of beta function. So beta of what?
mn.
mn.
No, m plus 1 n plus 1. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another important thing,
Okay.
you should know the relation between beta and gamma function. Then only you can find its value. Can you express beta of mn is equal to in terms of gamma?
Gamma n.
Gamma m into gamma n upon gamma m plus n. Gamma m plus n.
All these things we are going to use. The next thing is, if n is a natural number, what will be the value of gamma n?
N minus 1 factorial.
N minus 1 factorial. Okay. And if n is not natural number, any integer or fraction you have, then do you know any relation? That means how can we find it?
Gamma half tak I think we will extend. I don't know the exact one.
Okay. So gamma n is n minus 1, gamma n minus 1. Getting? So using this property of gamma function, we can find value of gamma 1 by 2, gamma 3 by 2, 5 by 2, like that. So the value of gamma 1 by 2 is fixed. You know what is value of gamma 1 by 2?
Root pi.
Root pi.
Root pi.
Pi. Okay. And if gamma 7 by 2, do you know how to find its value? Gamma 7 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to find?
So firstly, you have to write in the form of 1 plus 1 by 2.
Yeah. See, this relation we use, and I'm writing directly actually. We use it frequently and we get 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, gamma 1 by 2, right? So here at the numerator, you will get all odd numbers, 5, 3, 1, right? And gamma 1 by 2, you know its value is root pi. So that value you can put and you will get the answer. Similarly, when you have gamma 11 by 2, will you tell me how to find its value?
9 by 2.
9 by 2, 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2.
3 by 2. 1 by
1
2.
by 2
And
into
And
root pi.
gamma 1 by 2.
Exactly. Gamma 1 by 2 is root pi and the remaining constants you can easily calculate, right? So yeah. So here we have to use the definition of gamma function. Just use the first one and tell me what I should write here. What is your m? What is your n? M is 4, n is 5, right?
Yeah.
Then it will be beta.
Beta of 5 comma 6.
Yes, right. We add 1, okay, in M and N, so you get 5 and 6. After that, I'm going to use the relation between beta and gamma function. And tell me what I should write here.
So gamma of m.
Gamma 5.
Gamma 5, gamma of 6 by gamma of 11.
5 plus 6, 11, right? But we know that if n is a natural number, then gamma n is n minus 1 factorial. So use it here and tell me.
4 factorial into 5 factorial by 10
factorial.
factorial.
10 factorial, right? So 4 factorial means 4, 3, 2,
25.
1. 5 factorial, keep as it is. 10 factorial can be written as 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and again 5 factorial, right? It will get cancelled. 8 will get cancelled. 3 will get cancelled. And you will have here 30 into
1260 is the answer.
1. What did you say?
1260 is the answer.
1260, right? This is value of I.
And inverse का 1 upon हो जाएगा.
Yeah, inverse का, if you take the inverse, ये देखो क्या हो जाएगा 1260 only, right?
Yes.
Okay, shall we move further? Have you
Sure,
understood? Okay, okay. What about others?
Sir, can you please
sir.
just tell what is gamma function, beta function? Why are we introducing such functions? Like a
Yeah.
small.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. See, if I give you any problem and if I ask you to find the derivative, getting suppose x square, I'm trying to make it difficult, huh? X square sine inverse x into log x plus e raised to tan inverse x whole divided by x raised to 7. Can you find its derivative?
No, it's pretty
Yes, sir,
difficult.
but it would be
Difficult, but
difficult.
you can spend, maybe you can spend a complete day on it and finally you will get the answer. But if I replace the derivative by integration, can you solve it?
No, sir.
So that's why it is quite difficult to solve integrations, right? As compared to derivative. If the function is integrable, then also it is difficult to find integration. In that case, there are some standard methods. With the help of that, we can solve some particular type of integration, just like a beta function. So when you have 0 to 1, x raised to m, 1 minus x raised to n dx. So beta function, that is one technique. With the help of that, you can solve this types of integrals. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
When you have 0 to infinity, e raised to minus x raised to n dx, that means when you have the exponential function and the limit 0 to infinity, you can go for gamma function. With the help of that, you can solve these types of integrals. Getting the point?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, even the Laplace transform also do the same thing. In case of Laplace transform 0 to infinity, e raised to minus st, f of t dt. Okay. So this Laplace transform also helps us to solve these types of integrations. Getting the point? Okay, these are the techniques of solving some integration. That's all.
got it.
Okay, let's move further.
Sir, here is a definition of gamma function. It is equal to gamma of n plus 1.
Yeah, n plus 1. Yeah, right, n plus 1. It's n plus 1. Just like a beta, here also we do the n plus 1. Okay, so shall we move further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is our next target, this problem we have, and we have to find which option is the correct one. So f is a continuous function defined on closed interval -1 to 1, and they have given the integral 0 to pi x f of sine x. F is a function of sine x dx, and they have asked it is equivalent to which one. So what do you think? Let me write first. Okay. So which method we have to use? Which property of definite integral we have to use to solve this problem? Any guesses?
Sir, a minus x can be replaced by a minus x.
Yeah, very good, very good. See, there are two important properties of definite integral, that 0 to a f of x dx, okay, dx is equal to, what did you say? 0 to a f of a minus x. Yeah, both integrations are same. Getting? So wherever you have x, you can easily replace by a minus x, then also the value of integral will be unchanged. Okay, one more question. In this integration, we have lower limit 0. So definitely we can use this one. But unfortunately, if any problem, we have the limits a to b, that means other than 0. Then which property we have?
Sir, we can replace x by a plus b minus x.
A plus b minus x, you have it. Integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Okay, so obviously the first one is applicable for this problem. Shall I do the same? So it will be 0 to pi. Limits will be same. What I should write? Just tell me. Suraj, can you tell me?
Yes, sir. The x will be replaced by pi minus x.
Pi
F of
minus x.
sine of pi minus x dx.
F of sine of
Pi minus x.
So pi minus x dx. So Akash, you know the value of sine pi minus x? Sine pi minus x, what is its value? Akash?
So it again becomes sine x.
Sine x, very good. So this is equal to 0 to pi minus x f of sine x. Okay. So now what will I do? I will split this integration. Okay. So I will adjustment. I want some more space. Guess the next step now. So it will be 0 to pi. This pi into f of sine x, right? Dx minus 0 to pi x f of sine x dx, right?
Yes.
Okay. But I think we have seen this integration somewhere. Where is it? What is its value?
So this is I.
Yeah, that is our I. That is the given integration I. So what can I write here? So this is equal to 0 to pi f of sine x dx minus I. And already in left hand side we have I. The next step, just we need to shift this I.
2i is equal to 0 to pi into f of sine x dx.
Exactly. I is equal to, I'm shifting I plus I, 2I is equal to, you will get same. So therefore I is equal to, is it pi by 2?
Yes, sir.
0 to pi f of sine x dx. So let us find a correct option. Pi by 2 f of sine x. Yeah, first one, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the next problem. For a real, shall I move further, na? All of you understood the previous one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about
So the
other?
final answer is pi by 2 into integral 0 to pi f of sine x dx, right?
Yeah. So they had given already 4 options to us and we chose the correct one. Okay. Shall we move further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next one is for a real number x, define this. Are you familiar with this function? Smallest integer greater than or equal to x. Are you familiar with this function?
Yes, sir.
So yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Right.
that means, this is a real line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you have any integer inside it, it will give the same, right? But if you have any fraction, 2.1, 2.1 lies here. So it gives the next integer, which is 3. Agree with me?
Yes.
What is value of this one?
5.
5.
4. Okay, so this such type of function we have. We can easily solve this integral. I is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay. So x, y, z. But see, limits are 0 to 1. That means x lies in 0 and 1. Y lies in 0 and 1. And z also lies in, x is somewhere here, I can be here, and z can be here, 0 and 1, right? Okay. So if x lies in here, and if you operate the function, it will give the value 1. Agree?
Yes, sir.
I will do the same. Z also will do the same. 1 plus 1 plus 1. And you will get dx, dy, dz. Can anyone tell me its answer directly?
3.
3. That will be the final answer. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. The constant will come outside. Right, Suraj? Understood? If you solve the integration, you will get x, y, z limits 0 to 1. So you will get 3. Shall I move further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Aditya, this is the next problem for us, right? All of you are ready? Rajat, understood the previous one? Rajat? Okay. See, I will move further. So this is a triple integration we have. Lambda and mu. These are some functions we have. We have to find their values. And with the help of them, we have to find the value of lambda x minus mu xy, right? So this thing we have to find. See, what we have the limits here, triple integration we have, like x, y, z. Okay, we are interested in limits of x, y, z. So I will write the limit of z first, then limits of y, and then limits of x. So I'm choosing z first, since inner integration with respect to z, middle one with respect to y, and outer one with respect to x. So that's why I follow the same sequence. So as you can see, region is bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to 0. Okay, agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So lower limits are obviously 0, 0, 0. They are given. So simply we need to think about the upper limits. Okay. And for that, they have mentioned a single equation, which is 4x plus y plus z is equal to, sorry, 2x plus y plus 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4. Just a minute, let me check. Yes, 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4, right? Actually, it represents a plane. Since power of each variable is 1, so you will have the plane like this, which will cut x, y, z axis at some points, and you will get region like this. Okay. Okay. But actually, we are not interested in region. We are interested in limits, right? So there is one technique. With the help of it, you can easily find the limits. Okay. So, Aditya, what will be the value of z using this equation you will get? Aditya, z is equal to?
May I?
Please.
So z equals to 4 minus 2x minus y.
Yes, z is equal to 4
And
minus.
for considering the value of y, we will put the z equals to 0. Then it will be
Exactly.
y is equal to 4 minus 2x.
Exactly. Very good. So now the task of z is over. So I will remove it, and you will get the equation 2x plus y is equal to 4, right? So with the help of this equation, we have to find the value of y, which is y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So limits of y will be 4 minus 2x. So now the task of y is also over. I will remove it, and you will get 2x is equal to 4. Let us cancel out 2 from both sides. So x is equal to 2. So the limits of x will be 2. Have you understood?
Yes.
Sir, can you please explain once more?
Okay, no problem. See, the single equation we had, right? 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4, right? Hello?
Yes. Yes, yes,
See,
yes.
yeah, with the help of it, we have to find the upper limit of z. Okay. So that
Okay.
is, I will keep z on one side. I will shift all remaining variables on another side. 4 minus 2x minus y. Agree?
Yeah. Okay.
So limits of z I got. Okay.
Mm.
So now the task of z is over. Remove it. Remove the z from this equation. What will you get? 2x plus y is equal to 4. Agree?
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes,
removing
yes.
this. So what will be the value of y using this equation?
4 minus 2x.
Yeah, so that will be the limits of y. 4
Okay.
minus 2x. Now remove the y. What will you get?
2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. Okay, okay,
That's
fine.
it, that's it. Okay.
Hmm. Thank
So
you, sir.
most welcome. See, limits of z in this integral they have mentioned 0 to mu. Can you see limits of z 0 to mu, right?
Yes.
So it means this is our mu. Agree?
Yes.
Limits of y 0 to lambda, right? And our limits of y 0 to 4 minus 2x. That means this is our lambda. Agree with me, Suraj?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is our task? Our task is to find lambda minus mu. They have asked to find lambda minus mu. So my lambda is 4 minus 2x. My mu is 4 minus 2x minus y. Let us simplify. 4 minus 2x minus sign outside the bracket. When you remove the bracket, sign will get changed. Can we cancel anything here?
Yes, sir. 4
Yes, sir.
Minus
4 and
2x
2x.
plus 2x
Yes, sir.
plus 4 minus 4. So what is remaining? Y.
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 Final answer is Y. So the correct option is
Option D.
D. B is the correct option. Right.
Option D. Y.
Okay, this is another example we have, right? Shall we move further? Aditya, Rajat, Kavipriya, shall we move further?
Sir,
Yeah, please.
sir, when we were finding the limit 4 minus 2x minus y,
Yes.
we wanted to remove y. So
Yeah.
we just substituted y equals 0. So is
Yeah.
this allowed?
Yeah, sure. I'm doing the same thing actually. Remove that means putting y is equal to 0 there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall we move?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, this is a next problem. Okay, let me write the problem. You can read on the screen. Ready? So I is equal to, we note down the given thing first. 2n factorial upon 2 raised to 2n n factorial minus 1 to 1 1 minus x square raised to n dx. So can anyone tell me how to solve this problem?
First, I guess we need to check whether the given function is even or odd.
Yeah, very good, very good. So when you find this kind of limits, no, minus a to a, your first task is to check whether it is even or odd. So what do you think? It's even or odd?
Even.
Yeah, even. Okay, I'm writing the definition here. Okay, f of minus x is equal to f of x, then we say the function is even. And if f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, we say the function is odd. Agree? Okay, but generally when we have the
Yes, sir.
polynomials, just by observing their powers also we can guess. So here the power of x is 2, so I guess it is even function. Understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, what we do when we have any even function? Okay, let me have a space. हाँ. अगर function even हो तो हम क्या करते हैं?
We change the limits from minus a to a as 2 into integral 0 to a.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so if when you have a even function 2n factorial 2 raised to 2n, let me copy. Okay, so I should write 2, right? 0 to 1 1 minus x square raised to n dx. Okay, the first task is over. After that,
Sir, can we use beta function here?
yeah, I'm thinking the same actually. Just wait, huh?
Then our x will be to the power 0, right, sir?
Sorry, huh? What did you say?
X
So
will
let
be to the power 0, right?
exactly,
I mean,
exactly. Yeah, you are really brilliant students, right? So you see, let me write the definition of beta function here. This is beta of n plus m, n plus 1, m plus 1, right? But the problem is that we don't want square here, getting? Otherwise, there was no any issue. You were telling, I don't know your name, but so you were telling x raised to 0 is here and you can find m and n. But the problem is that we have a square here. We don't want square.
So we can put x equal to sine theta.
Sine theta.
Sir,
Yes.
Then 1 minus
y
sin square theta
equal to
becomes
t.
cos square theta.
Okay. That means you wish to convert the problem in terms of sine and cos, right?
Polar form. Yes, sir.
Yeah, polar form. You know this formula, sine raised to p theta,
Yes.
cos raised to q theta, d theta is equal to half. Please half. What I should write after this? Half.
Sine 2m minus 1 theta cos 2n minus 1.
Actually, it is p plus 1 by 2. Actually, you are saying the same, when you write here 2m minus 1 and 2n minus 1, that in that case you are correct. But I have already written p and q, so I'm writing in this way. P plus 1 by 2, q plus 1 by 2. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So with the help of sine and cos also you can solve, or the second option is, yeah, this one. You can convert the problem in terms of this one again. Getting? You can use the same thing here. For that, you need to put x square is equal to t. Just a minute. So you have two options. Either you can put x is equal to sine theta and you can convert in terms of sine and cos, or x square is equal to t you can put, and then again you will get the same. So now it's your choice. How shall I solve this one?
So by using x square equal to t.
Okay, as you wish. Getting? If you go for sine and cos, in that case you should use the second formula. If you put x square is equal to t, I should go for the first formula, right? Both choices are open for us, but as you said, I will go for the first one, right? So x square is equal to t, then x is equal to root t. When you put anything, what is your first job?
We change the limit of
Then
Derivative. What is the derivative of root t?
1 upon
1 by
2
2
1
root
by 2
t.
root t.
Dt, right? And second task, limits.
Yes,
What will be the new limits?
0 and 1 only.
0 and
Yeah,
1.
that's why I will not waste my time in that. I'm directly writing since limits will be same. 2 raised to 2n factorial into 2, limits will be same, 0 to 1, 1 minus t, right? 1 minus t raised to n, and dx is 1 by 2 root t dt, right? Okay, so this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, right? Now our job is to express the integral in terms of this beta, definition of beta function. So tell me what I should do. Please.
T to the power minus half into
Root
minus
t,
t
we
to
can take it as to minus 1 by 2.
Yes, t raised to minus half. Root means t raised to half. We are shifting to the numerator, so it will be minus half dt. So now use the definition of beta function. I'm writing it here again. X raised to m, 1 minus x raised to n, that is equal to beta of m plus 1 n plus 1. Now use this definition and tell me what I should write here.
The beta 1 by 2
Beta 1 by 2 m plus
Beta
n.
minus
N plus 1.
n plus
n
1.
plus 1. That's it. So this is our answer. Okay, so let us check the correct option. But see, in options, they have not mentioned beta anywhere, right?
Yes, sir.
That means we supposed to solve it further. Yeah. So after that, what I should do, tell me?
So we have to change in gamma function.
Gamma function, yeah, right. To n factorial. So I will use the relation between beta gamma. So it will be gamma half gamma n plus 1. And here we have to add, no? N plus 1 and half, that means n plus
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Getting? So let me check again. In options, there is no any gamma function. They have simply mentioned factorial symbol, right? So that means we need to solve it further. Yeah, next step, can you guess?
The gamma half equal to root 5.
Yes, gamma half is equal to root pi, right? So this is equal to 2n factorial 2 raised to 2n n factorial into gamma half is root pi, but just for this step, I will keep gamma half. In next step, I will write. Okay. Gamma n plus 1, what do you think about this gamma n plus 1?
So
It is
here
n
n
plus
is
1 into
natural
n
number.
into n factorial.
See, n is a natural number. So gamma n plus 1 is n factorial, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you think about denominator? It's not a natural number since we are adding 3 by 2 here. So we should use this relation. Gamma n is n minus 1 gamma n
Minus
minus
1.
1. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's use it frequently. So we will get n plus half. Again, we reduce 1. N minus half. Again, we reduce 1. N minus 3 by 2. Getting? And so
Yes,
on.
sir.
In this way, we will go up to 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, gamma 1 by 2. Right? Like this one. Huh? We have already seen, I think, 2 or 3 examples before. Yeah, this kind of thing. When you have gamma 11 by 2, what you do? 9 by 2, 7 by 2, 5 by 2, sorry, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, and so on. The same thing I'm doing, but in this case, in this problem, we don't know the value of n. This is only fact. We don't know the value of n, and I actually am doing the same thing. So can we cancel anything?
So gamma 1 by 2.
Gamma 1 by 2 and n factorial.
N factorial and gamma 1 by 2. We really feel happy, no, when any terms get cancelled, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Later
Yes.
we have 1. Yeah. In denominator, what I need to do? Shall I cross multiply? So that means 2n plus 1 by 2. Agree? 2n
Yes, sir.
minus, I'm cross multiplying inside the bracket, right? 2n minus 3. Since still any of the options is not matching with our this final answer, right? So that's why I need to solve it further. 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So how many 2's are generated in the bottom? Tell me.
N terms.
N terms. 2 raised to n.
2 raised to n. See, n terms are there. How many odd numbers are there? See, at 1, 3. 3 is a second odd number, right? 5 is a third odd
Yes, sir.
number. So how many odd numbers are generated here?
2n minus
2n minus
1 term.
No.
2n plus 1.
See, this is n plus 1 odd numbers. N plus 1. We are getting the point. This is first odd number. This is second odd number. This is second odd number, right? This one is third odd number.
So it's n
This one
plus
is
1.
getting the point. So 2n
Okay,
plus
so
1, that means
so
this
it's
is
n plus
n
1,
plus 1
sir.
odd number. Yeah, n plus 1, you're right. What is nth odd number? What is nth odd number? This is 2n minus 1. Getting? Can you find a relation? 2 into 2 minus 1, 3. 3 into 2 minus 1, 5. Similarly, n into 2 minus 1, this is nth odd number. So what will be the 2n plus 1? It will be n plus 1th odd number. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means we have total n plus 1 brackets. So that much 2's will be generated in denominator. So that means we will have here 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, and so on. 5 into 3 into 1, and total n plus 1 2's are there. So 2 raised to n plus 1. So this is equal to 2n factorial. Still we need to solve, huh? Since option is not matching here. So this 2 raised to n plus 1 is in denominator of denominator. So we can shift to the numerator. 2 raised to n plus 1, that means 2 raised to n into 2. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
See, 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1. So we have successive odd numbers. But see, even numbers are missing here. So what will I do? I will multiply numerator and denominator by those even numbers. I will tell you what I'm doing. 2n plus 1, right? So the previous even number is 2n. I'm multiplying numerator and denominator by 2n. Previous number is 2n minus 1. Okay. Next, previous even number is 2n minus 2, right? So I will multiply numerator and denominator by 2n minus 2. 2n minus 3 is already there. The previous odd number, even number is 2n minus 4. So I will multiply denominator by 2n minus 4. And so on. In this way, you will get 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So here at numerator, 4 into 2. So the missing even numbers, we multiply numerator and denominator by those numbers. Okay. Have you understood what you have done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2n factorial upon 2 raised to 2n, 2 raised to n into 2. So can I take 2 common?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From each term to 2, we can take common. That means total 2 raised to n will be generated, right?
yes, sir.
So you have n minus 1, n minus 2. From each term, I have taken 2 common. So from this term, I took 2 common. Here also 2 common, 2 common. 4, I took 2 common. So 2 into 2, and here also 1. So that's why I got this step. Okay. In denominator, all terms we have got. So this is 2n plus 1 factorial.
Factorial.
Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
2 raised to n, 2 raised to n, 2 raised to 2n. It will get cancelled with this 2 raised to 2n. Okay. Now we
Yes,
are
sir.
very close to the final answer. Just a minute. Let me have space. We are very much close to the final answer. Our next step, just tell me. This is 2n factorial. At numerator 2, and that is n factorial, right? Upon
Yes, sir.
2n plus 1 factorial, that means 2n plus 1 into 2n
2n
factorial.
factorial.
Can we cancel anything? Cancel. That means
2
we
Yes,
get
sir. 2n factorial.
2 into n factorial upon 2n plus 1. So let us check the answer. What is the correct option?
Option C.
C.
Option C.
Option C. C is the correct one. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, so let us
Sir.
think about the next problem. Okay, so the values of integral. So they have mentioned S. They have mentioned S. S, that means multiple values it may have, right? Okay. So we have to find a value of this integral. So what do you think how to solve this one? Let me write first. I is equal to minus pi to pi mod x cos nx dx. Tell me how to solve this problem.
Sir, even
Here
odd
also
function.
try to change the limit first, like considering it as an even or odd function first.
Yes, you are right. When you have this kind of limits, your first job is to check it is even or odd. What do you think, even or odd?
It is even.
Even. Cos is
Even.
always, cos is even function, you know, sine is odd function. And if you think about the first one, it is even since mod is there. Okay. You remember in schools we studied minus minus plus plus minus plus minus
Mod
plus
is the
minus
distance, so it will
minus.
be positive.
Sorry.
Mod is the distance, so it will be positive only.
Yeah. So it's a even function, right?
Yes.
Yes, mod
Okay.
x is an even function.
Yeah, in case of even odd also, same rule is applicable. Even into even function. Even into odd function. Odd into even, odd function. And when you have two odd functions, again, it will be even. Okay, just a minute. Huh? Okay, so when you have two odd functions, odd into odd, even function, right? So here, the first one is even and the second one is also even. Okay, fortunately, both are even. So that's why we got even function. But if in exam, you have this kind of functions, even, odd, even, then you must know these rules. Okay. Both are even functions. So what I should
Okay,
do?
sir.
Tell me what I should do.
Change the limit
2
as 2
times
into
0.
integral 0 to pi mod x into cos nx dx.
Cos nx dx, right? Cos nx dx. But see, when the interval is 0 to pi, X is also positive, no? Your interval is 0 to pi. It does not take any negative value, right?
Yes, interval is
X
also
lies
positive.
between them. So mod X is X again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next step, tell me how to solve this integration
By integration by part.
by
Integration by
parts.
part.
So tell me U into V formula.
U into integral V minus integral of du by dx.
Yeah, that formula you
Integral.
studied in 12. Okay, I will tell you the more general formula. U V1 minus U dash V2 plus U double dash V3 minus U triple dash V4. In that way you should go. Okay, and where we need to stop? When you get the derivative 0, we terminate the process. Understood?
Okay,
When
sir.
we get derivative 0, we terminate the process. So now
Okay,
how to choose U and V? LIATE formula, right? Logarithmic function, inverse
Yes.
trigonometric, algebraic, trigonometric, and exponential. So the first one is algebraic and the second one is trigonometric. That means our choice is correct. First one is
So
X.
formula is isolate. Isolate. I
Yeah.
comes before the L.
Yes, sir. Firstly, I then
Yeah.
Sir, actually in 12th, we
Yeah, in
actually
12
studied both.
they taught us that LIATE, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
but in most of the cases, this formula also we use. Even when I studied the LIT formula. Okay, but I saw that in many places they use ILATE, right? So this is U and this is V, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, use the formula now. We write U as it is, okay? We write U as it is, that means X as it is. That suffix V1, that suffix 1 stands for integration, right? यानी कि क्या करना है, U के derivatives लेने हैं और V के integrations लेने हैं. Simple सी बात है, right? We have to take the derivatives of U and integration of V. First, we copy U as it is. V1 means integration of cos and x. What is integration of cos and x?
Minus
Sin
by
n
n.
plus
divided by n.
n.
Sin nx upon n, right? There is no minus sign. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See here in this formula, we have alternating minus plus signs. So the next sign is minus, right? Next sign is minus. U dash. What is derivative of u? What is derivative of x?
1.
Okay.
One.
U का डेरिवेटिव लेना है और v का इंटीग्रेशन. अभी देखो इसका और एक इंटीग्रेशन लेना है. इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या आएगा बताओ?
Minus
Inverse
Minus
cos
cos
n.
n x upon n
by
square.
n
Yeah,
square.
one more n will come in denominator. Agree?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
ये बेसिकली u था और उसका हमने यहाँ पे डेरिवेटिव लिया और उसके नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हमको और एक डेरिवेटिव लेना है और 1 का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा?
0.
0. When you get 0, you should terminate the process there, right? So I will terminate the process and limits will be 0 to pi. So let me write in a more simple way. So x sin nx upon n minus minus plus cos nx upon n square 0 to pi. Okay, I will put upper and lower limits. Tell me what will you get if you put upper and lower limits. Let us put pi first. Sin n pi, you know 0 sin n pi is always 0. If n is an integer, it is always 0. And what do you think about cos n pi? Minus 1 raised to
One of
Minus 1.
okay, minus 1 raised to n cos n pi. Okay. So
Yes,
sin
sir.
n pi, if you put pi, it will be 0. You will get cos n pi upon n square minus. If you put 0, first term will be 0. Cos 0 is 1 by n square. Cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. So it will be minus 1 raised to n upon n square minus 1 by n square. Both of them have the same denominator. You can take it common here. So you will get 2 by n square minus 1 raised to n minus 1. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I, right? But see, the value of I depends on n. So there will be two possibilities if n is even. And the second is if n is odd. What do you think? What will be the value of I when n is even?
0.
0. If n is even, the value of this term is 1, 1 minus 1, 0. And what will be the value of I if n is odd? Yes. So -1 minus 2, getting this one will be -1 if n is odd, -1 minus 2 into this 2 minus 4 by, right?
Yes, sir. -4 by n square.
Okay, so let us choose the correct option. So if n is even, 0. If n is odd, -4 by n square. If 0, when n is even, it is 0,
D
right?
option.
And if it is odd, -4 by n square. That means both options are correct.
Yes.
Multiple correct options
Yes,
we
sir.
have,
Sir,
right?
please repeat in extent for ILATE.
Sorry. Okay. I stands for inverse trigonometric, sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, getting?
Yes, sir.
Sec inverse, cosec inverse, like that. L stands for logarithmic. A stands for algebraic. That means polynomial, x raised to n, like that. 2x plus 5, like that. Getting? T
Yes,
stands
sir.
for trigonometric, sine, cos, tan, cot, getting? Cot, sec, cosec. E stands for exponential, e raised to x, a raised to x, like that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, so the
Clear.
final answer is?
Actually, we got two correct options here. 0 when n is even and -4 by n square when n is odd. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now the time is over. We have many problems. Okay, we will discuss in. I have 2 more lectures. So any suggestions you have for the next lectures, so I can try to.
Sir, yesterday I can't attend class. Can you send me PPT?
That means this PDF I can generate. Shall I
Yes,
share
sir.
this one?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay.
And previous one also.
Okay. Actually, I'm writing in on the same page. So what will I do? After completing all 4 lectures, I will share the PDF to the Wilson College. Okay, they will share with you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Thank
Okay,
you,
sir.
sir.
Most welcome.
Sir, can you just show the answer to this last question that we discussed? I just want to check. Okay, sir.
See, in remaining 2 videos, I will try to cover maxima, minima also, right? Partial derivatives problem based on that. Leibniz rule, getting? Maybe there will be some problems on beta gamma function also, if I feel those are different. Okay.
Sure, sir.
And area of any surface, okay, in R3. So that formula we still haven't used, that double integration square root of 1 plus dou u by dou x square plus dou u by dou y square. That thing I think we have not used still. So one problem also we will cover on that. Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
if possible, then MSQ type question in revision.
MCQ type questions.
No, no.
MSQ.
MSQ, multiple choice. I
Multiple
mean,
select.
Okay.
meaning
I will check. Okay, I will check. Okay, I
Okay.
will. Yeah, definitely I will try to include. Okay, in remaining 2 videos, lectures. Sorry.
Okay.
Sir, can you please share some problem for the practice?
See, actually, I have taken problems from the last year question papers of JAM. Okay, I'm solving the problems from those. So you can take any problem from them.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I think those are available on website also.
Yes, sir, they are.
Otherwise, I have some PDF, so I can share to the madam, Wilson College madam. Okay.
okay, sir. That will be more better.
But at the end of all these 4 lectures, I will share whatever the material I have. Okay, and I have already created one playlist on YouTube channel also. Getting on
Okay.
that, in that I have covered double integration, triple integration, beta gamma function, many
Sure,
things.
sir. Okay, we'll go through it.
Hello.
Hello.
What is your YouTube channel?
Name Ranjan Khatu. RANJNKHATU. Ranjan Khatu.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Sir, if we have given some region, then that region will have some positive area. So, sir, is it possible that that region will have negative area?
Yeah, sure. Some part of that region is positive, no?
Sir, but how can that means if we have given a region, then the area will always be positive. Then how is it possible that the double integral will be negative?
Yeah. See, double integration, right? So double integration represents volume under the surface, right? Getting the point? Okay, I will explain the concept. What you are saying, the region is positive, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, on today, from your sir, there is YouTube channel of yours, Ranjan Khatu, sir.
Yeah.
So there is one question you have solved. That is f of xy is equal to x plus y, and the region is bounded by line x plus y is equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 3 and the coordinate axis.
Yeah.
Sir, there we got the area is double integral is 0 actually.
Yeah.
So, sir, my question is, how is it possible that a positive region have a area is 0?
Yeah. I will explain the concept with the help of single integration. Will it be okay? And the same concept we can generalize for the double integration. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, have you studied Riemann integration?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It says if the function is positive, right? If the function is positive, then integration is again positive. Riemann integration gives the area under the curve. We are getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But see, when you have function like this, so if you solve the integration, the value of this integral will be positive and value of this integral will be negative. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you add, if this positive part is smaller than negative part, you will get negative value. And if this positive part is greater than negative part, you will have the positive value. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Same thing happens in case of double integration. So here we have a surface like that. Okay, in R3. And what we do in case of double integration, we find area below this region. Volume, sorry, the volume of region below this surface. You are getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So unfortunately, if you have a surface like this, that means some part of a surface above the XY plane and some part of a surface below the XY plane. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then this volume, its value will be positive and this value will be negative. If the positive part is less than negative part, the value of double integration will be negative. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
What I want to say, it doesn't depend on region, it depends on function.
Sir, but
Understood?
we have studied that area is always positive, right? Like it's a
Yes.
closed. Then how
Yes.
come we get it as negative here?
No. See, we are getting area. See, we are getting area here, but it will have, that means you need to take the mod. Have you solved such problems? That means when you solve the integration and finally you are getting a negative value and then we say the value area cannot be negative, so we consider the positive one. Have you solved such problems?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
We do the same actually. It gives the area, but we should consider its mod. Why it is giving negative value? Because the function is below the xy plane. No, you are getting the point. So the function is like this below the xy plane. So that's why the integral will give the negative value. But you know that it's a volume, so you need to convert it into positive value. Double integration, see, double integration, what does it give? Double integration, or when you talk about the Riemann integration, it gives the region, area of region bounded by that line and this positive x-axis or x-axis. Getting? वो क्या करता है, इस कर्व का और ये जो x एक्सिस है उसके बीच का एरिया देता है. इट डजंट नो इट्स पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. अगर तुम्हारा कर्व नीचे हुआ तो तुमको ये एरिया मिलेगा. समझ में आ रहा है? सो व्हेन यू सॉल्व द इंटीग्रेशन इट्स वैल्यू विल बी नेगेटिव बट यू नो इट्स एरिया, सो कन्वर्ट इट इनटू पॉजिटिव.
Okay, sir. Okay. Now it's clear.
Sir,
हाँ
sir, in a figure, if area in positive side,
हाँ
then we calculate, and then we take a mode of negative part of function which are in negative side.
yes.
Then we get the double of the area now. Then it is
Yeah, if you do in that way you will get double.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Then why you are want to cancel the area if you want to get actual area?
Yes. So you are trying to say you are getting here positive, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
here you are getting negative. Okay, so what will I do? I will solve few examples. Okay, in next lecture I will come with them and then I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
What's your name?
Sir, Akash Raj.
Akash Raj. Okay, I will note down and I will tell you in few examples in next lecture. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Most welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ranjan sir, for yet another wonderful session. It was clearly engaging, and it was evident from the way students were interacting and discussing, involved in the discussion. So I hope there are no more doubts. There are few in the chat box, some requests by Kirtana and Supratim that they would like you to cover spherical coordinates
Okay.
in your sessions. And there is also one query by Matthew. He has sent a picture image in the chat box.
Yeah.
So are you able to
Yeah,
view
yeah.
it?
I will. I am taking the photo of it. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Yes. Take a.
Okay, okay, sir. I hope there are no more queries and we can stop the session right now. Okay, so thank you so much, dear participants. Please follow the brochure for the upcoming sessions. And also keep checking the Telegram group for the updates. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Session was truly wonderful.
Thank you so much.